People, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am gonna prepare a simple recipe on a barbecue baked chicken. So I am gonna bake the chicken into this container. So I'm gonna pour just a little bit of coconut oil just to keep the container grease the container. And this is a coconut oil. This is a Jamaican brand coconut oil. Yes, it is very expensive, but it is a good coconut oil. Yeah, the brand is good. Right? So I use a piece of clean paper towel. So let's put this aside, right? So now I am using 2 leg quarters and 2 wings because the container is small that I'm going to bake the chicken into. Yes, so the leg quarter, I remove the skin. I remove most of the fats, but I just leave a little fats just to help to keep the chicken moist into the oven. And then I made 2 slits, and this is just to ensure that the spices, soaked into the chicken leg or the chicken quarter properly. It's optional, but can do it if you want. And the wings, I removed the tip, right? So yeah, so this is it. So now I am gonna season the chicken. So I am gonna use just a little bit of coconut oil, and again this is to help with moisture, keeping the chicken moist in the oven. That is about a teaspoon. Now I am gonna add salt, about ½ teaspoon of salt. I am using ginger, garlic, pimento. Not sure if you can get this seasoned, this spice to buy overseas, or you can use your own spice that you enjoy using. Ground black pepper. I am gonna use 1 dried herb, which is basil. I am gonna use also the jerk spice. And remember that I am the spice lady. I like to use spices to season my meat. Yes. And this is some seasoned salt, Laurie's seasoned salt. No MSG. And I am also gonna use some paprika, and that's it. That's it. So now I am just gonna, rub in the oil and the spices and the salt. Using 2 tablespoons of herb blend, and this is scallion, thyme, and pepper, sweet pepper, garlic, and onion and scallion. And I would say 2 tablespoons plus ½ teaspoon. See, now I'm not gonna put my hand on this, so I'm just gonna use the this spoon. And some people say, oh, this spoon cannot do a good job and all of those things. No way, sweetheart. The this spoon works for me. So if you want, you can put on a gloves, pair of gloves, or one glove on your hand, or you can put your saucer on in it. But this spoon works for me. So now I am gonna put it into this container right here. Yes, so I am just gonna put it into this container right here. See, it's a small container. So I put some of the green season into each slit, right? Because they want the flavor and everything to prepare this for dinner. And it is early hours, it's just some minutes after 10 a.m. and dinner will begin about 3 p.m. Yes, so I am gonna cover this and put it into the fridge to marinate for a couple of hours. Welcome back. So this is one sweet potato that I scrub the skin, and then I put it to soak in some salt water for a couple of minutes. Then I pat dry and then I slit, right? So this is it. So I'm gonna bake it. So this is how I normally bake my sweet potato. And this is the yellow flesh sweet potato. This is the only sweet potato that I use. I don't use the white flesh, neither the orange flesh. This is the best type, the yellow flesh. So I'm just gonna sprinkle just a little bit of salt, just to give it some flavor while it is baking. And so I am gonna put them into this roasting pan, skin side down. And I'm gonna put this along with the chicken, This is the chicken. So I'm gonna put it along with the chicken into a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I am gonna bake them for about 1 hour, 1 hour and 10 minutes. It depends. Okay, so in the meantime, I am gonna make the sauce and let it rest on the stove top. So this is about 1/4 cup of ketchup. So I'm making the barbecue sauce. and a few teaspoons of barbecue sauce and about 2 teaspoons of honey. So just gonna stir everything together. So just gonna let the sauce come to a boil and then turn off the heat. The chicken finished baking. It baked for 1 hour. And I baste it every 15 minutes. So now I am putting the chicken into the sauce and coat the barbecue sauce onto the chicken.